Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something new. These are Aromatherapy Body Butters. Is that even possible? Can you do aromatherapy with topical applications? I guess we will find out. Thank you Gya Labs for sponsoring this video. Gya Labs has been so gracious to send me over ginger and rose Otto essential oils, and I'm going to be using in these body butters to, create some aromatherapy. Okay, so I'm starting off with mango butter and kokum butter. These will be my two base butters, and I'm going to melt them down by themselves. Usually I add my carrier oils with my butter, but this time I want my carrier oils separate because I'm going to be doing something special with them.
I don't want this to be over. Don't want the morning to come.
Using the inspiration of Gya Labs, which is Mother Nature, I will also be adding some all natural ingredients to my body butters, and that will be the hibiscus powder and also the matcha tea powder. So what I'm going to do is separate my carrier oils into 3 separate portions, and then I'm going to add my herbs accordingly. This is going to give it just an extra oomph to the body butter and also a little bit of a beautiful color to it as well.
I want you to stay. We were young, and no one dared to make the first move. You and me.
Oh, and FYI, the hibiscus powder does leave some specks of powder in your final product, but you guys, I promise you, it dissolves evenly and perfectly. It's not grainy on your skin at all. So it's definitely a beautiful design if you would like to give it a try. All right, so now that we're done infusing our oils, we can go ahead and check on our butters. They should be completely melted down now. I'm just going to transfer this over to a bigger bowl so that once it slightly solidifies in the freezer, it'll be easier for me to whip on up. And we're back now for the fun part, just whipping up the butters. I'm using my immersion blender, you guys, but I'm using the whisk attachment. You can also use a stand mixer. You can also use a regular hand mixer. Whichever works best for you, you can definitely do that. Alright, you do not have to over blend this or blend this till it's completely fluffy, because we're going to be adding it to our oils. Remember our infused oils with the hibiscus and the matcha tea? We're going to be adding those separately as well. So we're going to end up having to refreeze these so they can slightly solidify, and then whipping them back up again, because the oils are going to loosen up the texture and make it a little liquidy. So that is why we're going to end up putting it back in the freezer, and literally only 1 to 2 minutes, you guys, because it freezes so fast because it already has cooled down. So you really don't need it to stay in there too long. Plop it in the freezer, take it out, whip it up.
We're lying there on the bed above the sheets. No one's saying a word, but I can feel your heartbeat. I stare into your eyes and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we are frozen in time. I don't want this to be over. Don't want the morning to come. My head upon your shoulder, wishing that you would say, I think you should stay, I think you should stay, I want you to say.
Alright, now that our body butters are done, we can go ahead and add our essential oils. I'm starting off with the Rose Otto essential oil, and what I like about this oil is that it's super potent. This potency is what's gonna have it be just a little bit more expensive than the other oils, but it's well worth it, you guys. Its healing properties are the biggest thing when it comes to Rose Otto, and the smell is so beautiful and light, and yet it has just this really nice potency, so you really get that really wild rose scent. Okay, and so I just thought it would be beautiful to add to this body butter, so as you're massaging it in or wherever you want to topically apply it, you have this beautiful scent of the rose, and it's just very calming and just a very nice smell. So ginger essential oil also has calming and soothing properties for those of you maybe dealing with anxiety, or you just have a lot on your mind and your senses and emotions are heightened and you're just exhausted. This is definitely the essential oil for you. And y'all, this is so beautiful. I thought I was gonna love the rose the most, but I really like the ginger. It mixes so well with the matcha tea scent. It's so beautiful and calming. Beautiful, beautiful smell. They're both beautiful smells, but I definitely think I like the ginger and matcha tea mixed together. Oh, beautiful combination, you guys. You definitely should give it a try. So I'm just putting these in their containers and we're all done. What do you guys think about this? What do you think? Just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Please go check out Gya Labs. They also have some discounts for you down in the description box. Go check it out so you can get your own essential oils and make your own creations or your own form of aromatherapy. If you use aromatherapy, let me know down in the comment section down below. And let me know, would you try these body butters as well, okay? And tell me, what's your favorite essential oil, okay? As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We were young, and no one dared to make the first move. You and me in the night, two souls in the moonlight. I stare into your eyes, and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we have frozen time.